Welcome to Yolanda the Great Hair Care, where we're diving deep into an essential yet often overlooked aspect of our beauty regimen, scalp health. Today we're performing a scalp check to uncover the key signs that might indicate your scalp needs some extra attention. Remember, a flourishing mane begins with a nourished scalp, and today we're listening closely to what it has to say. Let's start with a common issue, dry and flaky scalps. If you notice unexpected flakes resting on your shoulders, it may not just be winter dryness. This could signal a need for hydration or an overabundance of product buildup. Many assume that flakes are merely a sign of dryness, but they could also stem from irritation caused by certain hair care products. To combat this, integrate a gentle exfoliating scrub into your weekly routine to effectively clear away dead skin cells without irritation. Pair this with a sulfate-free shampoo to maintain moisture, restoring balance to your scalp. Next up is a symptom many experience at some point, excess oil. If your roots feel greasy just hours after washing, it's a red flag. An oily scalp may signify that your skin is overcompensating for itchiness or dryness, potentially exacerbated by aggressive cleansers. To tackle this, introduce a clarifying shampoo into your weekly wash schedule to strip away buildup while reintroducing light hydration afterward. This balance is essential for a healthy scalp environment, ensuring your natural oils aren't stripped away entirely while keeping grease at bay. Another sign to be mindful of is itchiness or tenderness. Is your scalp feeling tight, sore, or irritated? This discomfort might be a wake-up call regarding your styling practices. Too tight hairstyles, heavy product buildup, or infrequent washing can lead to inflammation and tension. It's crucial to assess your routine and give your scalp some much-needed relief. Take a break from tight styles and heavy gels, allowing your scalp to breathe. Gently massaging your scalp can promote circulation and enhance relaxation. Remember, nurturing your scalp isn't just about maintaining appearances, it's about self-care. In conclusion, let's remember the vital role our scalp plays in hair health. Like the soil that nourishes a garden, a well-cared-for scalp provides the foundation for vibrant hair. If you found this scalp check helpful, don't hesitate to share your favorite scalp savior in the comments. Together, let's empower our roots and cultivate a thriving hair care community.